So a couple of new images of the DJI Avata 360 have popped up, and not just that, it's already listed for pre-order at a US retailer, but there's a bit more going on here than just another early listing. Before getting into the pre-order drama, let's talk about these images first, because they actually tell us a lot. From what we can see, DJI seems to be planning multiple distinct bundles for the Avata 360, each clearly aimed at a different type of user. The base bundle is the most stripped back option. This one includes just the Avata 360 drone and a handful of essentials. We're talking about the aircraft itself, spare propellers, mounting screws, a small camera protector piece, which looks like it only fits when the drone is in FPV mode, and a USB-C cable. The battery appears to already be inserted inside the drone, not placed separately on the table. And that's basically it. No goggles, no controller, no carrying case, no extra batteries. This bundle clearly exists for people already deep into DJI FPV who already own compatible goggles and controllers and just want to add the Avata 360 to their setup. Next up is the standard combo, or probably a Fly Smart combo with 3 batteries, which is the first proper ready-to-fly kit. Along with the drone and basic accessories, this one adds DJI goggles and 3, a motion controller, 3 batteries, and the required charging gear. Everything about this bundle screams accessibility. Then there's the Fly More combo, which is the most complete and premium option. You get everything from the standard combo, plus multiple extra batteries, a charging hub, additional spare props, and a structured carrying case. But there's one major upgrade here: higher-end goggles 3. Similar to what we saw with the Avata 2. This bundle is clearly aimed at frequent flyers and creators who want longer sessions, fewer battery swaps, and easier transport. The hard case and extra power accessories really push this into no compromises territory. One key detail that's easy to miss: none of these images show the RC2 controller at all. Instead, it looks like DJI is planning separate Avata 360 bundles where the RC2 is included, but the motion controller and goggles are left out, while the rest of the kit remains largely unchanged. That's a pretty telling move. It strongly suggests DJI isn't limiting the Avata 360 to just 1 or 2 preset packages. Instead, they're likely setting up multiple bundle configurations aimed at different types of users, and what we're seeing here might only be a portion of the full lineup. For now though, we can only work with what we have. Now let's talk about the pre-order situation itself. This US retailer is already accepting reservations, and these don't look like simple placeholder listings. They show stock tracking, accessories, and even an optional reservation fee to hold a unit ahead of launch. All of that makes it feel like the Avata 360 is much closer to release than DJI has officially let on. But before anyone rushes to pre-order, there's some fine print worth paying attention to. First of all, US Drone Supply is not an authorized DJI dealer. Also, DJI hasn't announced the Avata 360 yet, and because of that, these units are being listed as new, while some documentation suggests they may have been opened, activated, or imported as international versions. On top of that, they don't appear to carry the kind of warranty you'd expect from an official DJI launch. So yes, pre-ordering now could put you among the first people to get your hands on an Avata 360, but it also comes with uncertainty around warranty coverage, firmware support, and whether the bundle you receive actually matches DJI's final retail lineup. FYI, this retailer feels much more like a dropshipper than a traditional authorized dealer. And then there's the price. Earlier, leaks hinted at a price around $999, but the current listings are hovering closer to $1,800. That's not a small jump. It feels less like standard pricing and more like an early listing premium baked in. So this is one of those moments where it's worth slowing down a bit. Being first in line is exciting, but waiting for an official announcement might bring a lot more peace of mind and possibly a much more reasonable price. Peace.